So let's continue the story. We have a dconf here with a user file which contains the cinnamon settings. I need to put that inside a package. All right. What do we have? We have here CARLI 12, and we have a slow internet, and an ArcoLinux ISO. We have package builds, and we have repos. All right, that's done. So, all right, what do we have? We have that. Let's close it up. We have git cloned all we need on this machine. So the CARLI package build is here. What do we need to build? What do we need to have? There is CARLI XFCE, that's it, XFCE config, wow. And let's build the CARLI cinnamon config. So, repositories, public CARLI cinnamon config. There's a way of naming things from big to small. CARLI is big, is the ISO, then the desktop, which is big, and then a very, very small inside the desktop, the configuration. That's the way I do things, right? Up to you how you do it, but I can only say what I do. CARLI cinnamon config, check. So I need get ArcoLinux CARLI gits. Here we have, oh, we don't have that. So CARLI cinnamon, that's here. CARLI cinnamon config slash, and CARLI XFCE config, right? Making mistakes, I think. Oh, it's just not there. Save. Let's see what happens if I run this. That's number 1. Okay, now that it's there. So CARLI XFCE is here, which gives me that, gives me that, gives me that, Control H, gives me that, gives me that. All right, cool. Which means I can copy paste. Not the .git, never the .git. Control H, Control A, Control C, go to CARLI cinnamon config, Control V, git version 2. I should use the up thingy, right? I should use the up thingy. Where did we use the up already? Up, and this one. I actually have a new one, I think. That doesn't matter. So this guy and this guy, those are the new maintenance files that I have. So CARLI XFCE, Control V, replace. This one is out, and here as well, Control V, replace. This one is out. So set up Americ, that's that, and then we up things. This is a copy paste of XFCE. Nothing more, nothing less. This is not what we need. What do we need? etc scal, still the same, config still okay, XFCE, no. Delete. On the desktop there's a dconf, x, Control V. Inside etc-scal.config we have a dconf folder, and in there is the setting of cinnamon. This is what we need. So cinnamon dconf user. That one's gone, this one is in, it's online. Two commits, one copy paste, right, and the other one the push. So that's that. We have our configuration online, but it's not packaged. I need to package this. So CARLI package build. There is a CARLI XFC config, so Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and use the code that's already there. This is now Cinnamon. Package build is called Ctrl+H, bigger. Find me everything called XFCE. Not always, right? You see the issue, right? So replace Cinnamon, yes, but this one should be dconf maybe. We could use that. etc.scal.config dconf or just dconf. Up to you. These guys are there just in case we need it. For now, we can toggle the comment. We are 2023. And it's the 3rd month, and this is our first thing ever. This is the Cinnamon configuration for CARLI, right? And all the rest is okay. It's going to the URL, ArcoLinux ISO. Package name is CARLI Cinnamon config. Git or no git? What did I do in the past? Did I put gits in there or not? That's important. How do we know? CARLI repo. Let's have a look. In ArcoLinux, I make gits, knowing, well, git is actually a way of saying you can find it on the GitHub, right? It's a git resource, but here's the only one I've made git, but not the CARLI XFC config, so not the CARLI Cinnamon config either. Okay, now we know. So CARLI Cinnamon config is correct, and CARLI Cinnamon config is correct. All the rest is okay. We're gonna copy paste from destination 1, which is that one, over to destination 1. All right, save. If you don't know, then you build it, then you know it's, if it's okay or not, make package. Then you check, build is successful, this is the package. This is the package name, no typos, etc scal config dconf user. Check. That's what we need. Now signing. Is there no way of... So this is correct. How did I do signing here? Oh. What's the most recent thing I might have done? Probably this. There's no package as such. So you can make packages to build it automatically in Arch root things and then move it to the repo and stuff like that, right? Now, we do need to have a new Sublime text as well. That's true. So, this is the package. Hey, what I don't know yet. Right, signing. I do need a signing thingy. So we need to go back up to the package build, to the Cinnamon config. This needs to be signed, and it's simple. Well, it's not simple signing, it never is, but GPG, for me now, it's okay. Detached sign, so sign me this one, and that's that, because everything is already in place. this is a cut for me, and to the repo it goes, Control V. So now I have a CARLI cinnamon config, which I'll need if I do a Sublime text in here. Down there is a, where are you, my friend? Control find XFCE. Ah, there he is. So this one is out, and this one is in, and that's going to be the new build if I push it to the repo. Okay. So that's on there. I have to wait a little bit because it's on GitHub, so it takes a while before it actually is there, right? Or I can use the build. What else can we do in the meantime is look at some administration of mine. So the up folder, up maintenance thingy is this. That seems like the good code. Control C, and then that's an up. They're all up. So this was the only one. Okay, cool. No problem then. Okay, the Sublime text. Either I build it again, Control H, there is nothing there, there's no git. Let me learn you a trick. You're on a system that's up to date. Check. Now it is. I want to have a new Sublime text. Where is Sublime text? It's in computer. File system, user, back, var, cache, package file. Eh? No, var cache Pacman. Packages. Here we find Zubla, right? Sublime text, and probably some versions. So this is the last version. That one and that one is the last version. Why not copy this and put it on your repo so you get the last version? So yeah, Control Shift 1, Control H, CARLI, repo, this one, Control V. So we got a better like this. We got a Sublime text 4126 and 4143. Bye. The old one is gone, and this one goes online as well. So we got already a new Sublime text. Anything else I should be updating? That's for a later one, 3.3. Well, we can, you see they're already working since 2021 March, right? No need to do anything, it's working. Maybe the CKB comp, I've closed it. So computer, file system, var, cache, Pacman, packages, and what was the name? CKB comp 1 to 8, and there is already one of 1 to 10. Control C, Control V. This guy needs to go. Not that it really matters, there's nothing wrong with the old version, but hey, when we're updating, we're updating. So voila. This is still the same. We've made an exercise in Plymouth, I think. Or was just an idea that I had. I think that was an idea that I've not gone through with it. Yay, probably Yay's has got an update. Obviously, Yay. So we got Yay and these two guys, the package and the signing. Oh yeah, correct. 11.121, 11.3. So Control C. I think I did that the wrong way. This one and this one. Control C. Check. Control V. this one and that one can go. And another update, pushing the new packages online. We can do that because we have the ArcoLinux, right? We have these packages coming from our repo. So no need for me to build it here because it's just copy paste basically. Time 15 minutes. We can put in the video. Yeah, what we'll do is the following. We will build the ISO, see if there are any mistakes. If there are no mistakes, we shall put the VirtualBox machine at the test in another video. Let's do it like that. So we got CARLI, we got CARLI 12 now, installation scripts, and we put up this there, that there, and we have number 40. Let's see if we get signatures problems, because we have a package that's in both repos. We have a package Sublime Text and Yay and keys and let's see. So these are other decisions we've made, and the dconf editor and the GNOME terminal, we've changed it already since last video and last build. This is coming from somewhere else, I don't know where, but something needs suddenly tiny compress. And okay, we're off. No key issues. Otherwise, arrow up, enter, done. No need to wait for this, right? No need to make the video longer. The only thing that will happen is we get an ISO, and then the next video we put it in VirtualBox. And here's your Yay bin. Oh yeah, what we can do is check versions. That's something you can do. If you say, oh my god, GitHub is not there yet, all the new stuff that we've put online is not yet available. So go check. It's a bit a mess. Here it starts again alphabetically, here, A, and here is the Z, and here it starts again, right? So 2 bits of code. So you need to check where whatever code you've made, that the package, here is your cinnamon already. That's not gonna be here what I want to look for. CKB or something, what was it again? And the other one is Sublime Text. Here is Sublime Text. Is that the correct version? I should check, right? Commits, you can actually check here. ArcoLinux ISO in the CARLI repo. 2 minutes ago, there was a commit. So CKV comp 2008 is out, 2010. CKB in here somewhere. There he is, 2008. 2010. So we're building an ISO with old packages. Basically, my message to you is Control C. Stop it. And it might be working now if I do arrow up. And at the same time, it will not work. We need to check the version. So we know that the new repo, it's online. It says so, it's online. But it needs some time. It's GitHub. I don't know why. It's GitHub. It needs some time. So again, if I don't see these lines of downloading, I already like the Yay. That's new, I think. 11.3.2. Let's not stop it. Use Yay in here. 11.3.2. So that's new. Yay bin. But this should be 2.10. Is it now 2.10? Convince me, otherwise I'll kick you. And you're out again. Aha. 2.10. So we're probably all the files, which is Sublime Text and all the rest. Everything is now up to date. Cinnamon is going to be there. So these are the things that have changed. if voila, we wait for the ISO this time, yes, space, and we're at the bottom. So if you go up and you look at things, you press space and you're at the end again. Stopping the video, waiting for the ISO, then we'll put it in a virtual machine. And we'll hope for the best, right? This deconf user thing.